Hello friends, welcome to my channel Grammarian Bhai, and today let's solve test paper 10 of class 10 from Total English book. So as usual, you go through by the question number 1, 2 and 3. Let me directly begin from the question number 4. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. So question number 4 is the comprehension passage. You read the passage. Let me provide you the solutions. So here is the first question. Here you have to select the correct options, especially the word meaning given. So the first one, vocabulary, which means jargon. So option A is correct. Second, haughty, which means arrogant. So option C is correct. Which word in the passage means the opposite of the word strong? So here option B is correct. Third one, answer the following questions briefly in your own words. So the first one, how was Robert welcomed in the countryside? So the answer will be, Robert's brother came to the country station to welcome them. Robert felt that the voices of the soil spoke to him, and the leaf, bird, and blossom conversed with him. Second one, what did Robert notice about Alicia in the wagon? So the answer will be, in the wagon, Robert felt that Alicia suddenly appeared to be remote, colorless, and high like a stranger, yet he admired her. C. How did Robert treat his father? So the answer will be, Robert treated his father with respect and concern. He fetched his pipe for him and removed his boots to make him feel relaxed and comfortable. Next, number D, show how Robert acted in a rustic manner. So the answer will be, Robert invited his father Tom for 3 rounds of wrestling. Thereafter, he sang songs and narrated stories that everyone thoroughly enjoyed. E. When Alicia was going back to her room, how did Robert appear to her? So the answer will be, when Alicia was going to her room, Robert appeared to her as a figure of vulgar comedy with ruffled hair, reddened face, and utter confusion of attire. He did not look like a member of a cultured society. Next one, here not more than 50 words. You have to state how Robert acted like a man rather than a gentleman. So the answer will be, at the farm, Robert acted like a man, not a gentleman. He gave his father his pipe, helped him remove his boots, and challenged him to wrestle. He sang songs and narrated stories, making everyone happy. He resembled a figure of vulgar comedy with no trace of a cultured gentleman. Next question, read the passage and fill in the blanks with the appropriate word given in the bracket. So the first one will be known, second, played, third, hugging, fourth, was done, fifth, to cut, sixth, was surprised, seventh, was based, and eighth, focused. Second, fill the blanks with appropriate words. I will come back at or by or before 6 o'clock. The war began on September 1939. The police got the fire under control. I'm trying to look for my key. The lake abounds in or with fish. We do not have our weekend break on Sunday. The president gave her assent to the proposal. The principal promised to look into her case. Number 3, here select the correct option. So the first one, my brother alighted from the train. He fell over a bag on the platform. So here option A is correct. As my brother was alighting from the train, he fell over a bag on the platform. Second, my friend may call. Please ask him to wait for me. So here option C is correct. If my friend calls, ask him to wait for me. Number 3, this is because we stayed in Vikas' house for our holiday. So here option B is correct. This is because in whose house we stayed for our holiday. Number 4, you can borrow the money, you can pay it back. So here option A is correct. You can borrow the money if you can pay it back. Next, number 4, here again you have to select the correct options. So the first one, I will come as soon as I can, mother assured me. So here you have to begin, mother assured me. So the correct option will be D. Mother assured me that she would come as soon as she could. Second, you are always expected to greet your elders. So here you have to begin with the sentence, you must. So here option B is correct. You must always greet your elders. Number 3, to predict the future is impossible. So here you have to begin with it. So option B is correct. It is impossible to predict the future. Number 4, we should not bother to meet him. So here you have to rewrite using about in place of to. So here option A is correct. You should not bother about meeting them. Number 5, I hoped to get the scholarship. So here you have to begin, I hoped that. So here option A is correct. I hoped that I would get the scholarship. Number 6, I can rely on Ashish. So here option A is correct. Ashish can be relied on by me. Number 7, he leads a very unhappy life. So here you have to rewrite as an exclamatory sentence. So here option A is correct. How unhappy life he leads. Number 8, it seems that the servants have been dismissed. So here you have to begin the sentence, the servants. So here option D is correct. The servants seems to have been dismissed. And if you think the video is helpful to you, please subscribe the channel and like the video.